First I wasn't gonna record, but then I was like, okay, I might as well. I am tired, and I'm probably always saying that on camera, but I'm currently, look, my pot is on the stove, and I haven't put nothing in the pan. I am cleaning, literally going from room to room, cleaning. It is Tuesday, 8 o'clock, and I'm cleaning. That's crazy, but it's for a reason. One, because I needed it, and two, I will explain. So, yes, I'm getting ready to cook us some dinner. I'm making chicken tacos, which we ate last night, but I'm gonna make again, and I'm excited because I'm hungry. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here really quick. I did get some new things from Target. Like, I got a lot of cleaning stuff and just like house stuff. But I'm excited because I picked up these My Kind Garden of Life Women's Vegan Multivitamins. I have low vitamin D, so I knew I needed that. This doesn't have probably enough, but it's vegan. It has vitamins A, C, D, E, K, vitamin B12, B6. I need some energy, and I'm excited to try these. And then I picked up some Goli, because you can never go wrong with Goli. The ashwagandha, love these. Whenever I don't want to take like my anxiety medicine, I'll probably take one tonight. One of these gummies, it'll get you all the way together. But I will hop back on here. Let me show you guys the bathroom. I redid the kids' bathroom. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I just got this simple cream and black and gray shower curtain. It's brand new, which is why it's wrinkled. And then I picked up this from $4. It was $4 at Target as well. And then I have this little bathroom rules, little plant. This is the kids' bathroom, so it doesn't always stay the cleanest, but it's clean right now. There we go. It's clean right now. And that's all that matters. I have a long way to go, so let me get to it, and then I'll come back tomorrow. Sitting here with the anxiety up the ass because people are going in and out of my house. Everything's put away, but just the thought that there's someone in my house, I'm just gonna pray and give it to God because I can feel my anxiety. My anxiety is through the roof. But I guess this is just how it goes. My house has been on the market for 24 hours now, and we have 5 showings. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed and pray that it gets sold. So crazy, so exciting. They just accepted our offer. Our home is under contract. We're under contract. Like, I'm gonna have to give you guys this backstory. Oh my God, God is so good. I'm about to go pray. What's up, you guys? It's another day. This vlog is gonna be very choppy. I can just tell you that right now. It's gonna be very choppy, very all over the place. I feel like crap. I probably look like it. I feel like when I'm sick, it definitely shows in my face. I have woke up Saturday. Today is Tuesday, but Saturday evening, afternoon, I started having, like, my stomach was just in shambles. And so I've just been kind of fighting that off. I've been waking up every day. Just my stomach is just so queasy. And today is Tuesday, and I woke up and I have a stuffy nose. So I'm over it, but yeah, this vlog is probably going to be all over the place because I feel like I have so much to update you guys on, and then I have so much to do, and just so everything is just kind of like choppy. Plus I'm working. Yeah, so by the time y'all see this video, I will be in a new home, which is crazy. So as far as that, I will give you guys updates and everything soon. I don't know that it will be this vlog or the next vlog. I have been trying to get as much footage as I can. Everything kind of happened really quickly. I got a venti matcha today on the house. Love that. I love free. I get it with oat milk and caramel. Like I said, I'm not feeling good. I don't probably need to be drinking that, but yeah, I'm at Target. I'm actually sitting waiting to have them open up because my kids need Valentine's things. It's Valentine's Day tomorrow. I have to get, like, I'm gonna find my little girl like a Valentine outfit, and then you know, snacks and stuff for their class. I have to do all of that, and I'm so last minute, and it's my fault. But yes, then I have to get some medicine while I'm in here so I can go home and lay down so that I can be at work the rest of this week. I honestly don't like to miss work if I don't have to, but there's really, and I keep like feeling like I have to gag. Hold on, y'all. Sorry. As long as I don't throw up, I'm fine. So I have to get some Valentine stuff for my kids. So yes, I just feel so many emotions, like, honestly. It's crazy. I don't even know what to say. I just keep praying and thanking God, because God is so good, and not even in the sense of providing. God is good because you have a daily opportunity to get it right, and the grace that he shows so that you can continue trying. Just every day you have the opportunity to change and grow and seek him, and that alone is so overwhelming. Don't have me going on and on and on, because I probably don't make any sense. But anyways, I will update you guys as soon as I can. By the time this vlog goes up, I'll have a lot more to tell y'all. So yeah, let's see what they have. Shorts. They got shorts out already. Lord, I gotta find my baby an outfit. I found this sweater. Yeah, she probably has some leggings to wear, because I'm not seeing nothing. These jeans are on sale for $6 instead of $20, but all they have is a size 10. Y'all, I had forgot what I came in here for. So easy to get distracted. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. No, they have it. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay. This is more so of the style that I'm going for. This one. This one. Love the wicker. So cute. I really like this green for my son. That's the pillowcases. And they have the dinosaurs. I'm sorry, but we can't do the whole character thing. I just can't. Hey guys, so I am emptying out pretty much everything. I have someone coming. Back in timeout, ma'am. You are in timeout. Back in timeout.
I tell them what they like.
No, you cannot talk to the vlog.
Like it. Mommy, I want to talk.
You can tell them when you get out of timeout.
Yeah, but you're not gonna be video.
I will. I'll make sure. Anyways, you guys, they're in timeout, but I have someone coming to look at the accent chest and the accent chair in a few minutes. I got rid of my coffee table. I got the rug that I'm supposed to be getting rid of as well. So yeah, it's becoming very echoey in here. Aaliyah, turn around. Turn around. Timeout is not fun. Anyways, you guys, that's what's going on today. Today is Sunday. I don't even know. The 18th, I think. I have a week. We have a week left. So we're just doing little minor things. We're replacing the microwave because the door handle situation broke years ago. About a year ago, we just haven't replaced it. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. And then I need to start packing. But if you know me, you know I throw everything away when it's time to move. But I'm keeping the things, you know, that matter. But the entire color scheme and everything of the other house is totally different. So what I have now does not really go. So yeah. It was time to get rid of this. I've had this for a few years. It's excellent condition. So this right here, this accent chair, I loved it when I had it. I don't really have a use for it anymore. So yeah. And then I'm trying to decide about the kitchen table because honestly, I don't think I'm going to take that either. But we'll see. Today we went to Lowe's. We have to go back to Lowe's and get some paints to touch up a few things. And then we're looking at refrigerators. I found two that I really like. So I need to go to the new house and measure the refrigerator. So yeah, that's it. That's what's going on. I have not been on Instagram. I have not been on anything. I did post a TikTok today of me cleaning my couches. I never washed the couches, but I washed them and I think that they look a lot better. So that way I don't have to worry about purchasing a couch straight off the bat, because I'm trying to take my time and really just get what I want versus just trying to hurry up. So the main things that I'm gonna have when I move in, we have all new bedroom beds, so we're good on that. I have to get my son a bed and a mattress since now he's gonna have his own room. I need to order my bar stools and my kitchen table because I'm pretty sure I'm getting a new kitchen table, and I can't wait to show you guys. What's up, you guys? So it is a new day. I just got off work, you guys. I am pretty mentally exhausted today. I'm not gonna let it defeat me, but I am exhausted. My skin looks good. Today wasn't bad. Usually Mondays are like super busy, but today wasn't terrible. But my brain I was just multitasking a lot today, so my brain is tired. But I did manage to do a pickup order for Target this morning because I needed like razors and, you know, soap, stuff like that, pads, tampons, all of the things. And I really want to do like a self-care day for myself where I'm just like doing all the things that I need to, like my hair and a mask and my feet, all the things, you guys. I have not done that in a while, and I have just been so, not lazy, but just exhausted. And then I'm also cleaning and moving. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be in my new house. Today I have to go and meet the realtor, my realtor, to like mark the places that we need touch up paint at my new house. So I'm trying to rush and do that. I have to get my kids from school right quick, and I may film a little bit of that as a little sneaky peeky, but